In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to borrow money from Japan. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Borrowing money from a Japanese bank, either as a foreigner or as a resident with a visa, can be challenging. However, it is not impossible. Like I said before, one of the key factors is if you reside in Japan. So, the general key factors that these banks will consider for applications are going to be residency status, stable income, employment history, and language proficiency. So first, if you are resident in Japan with a valid visa, this is the most common and feasible scenario to get a loan from a Japanese bank. If you have the permanent residency, this is going to be highly advantageous. Most Japanese banks prefer or require permanent residency. So if you are able to, try to get in on that, because it will make the process a whole lot easier and you will be able to do the standard process on any general Japanese bank. If you are a non-permanent resident, it is still possible but more difficult. Some banks have specific loan products for non-permanent residents, often with stricter criteria. An example would be the Tokyo Star Bank's Star Mortgage. This is frequently cited as an option for non-permanent residents seeking a home loan. They may require you to be between 25 and 65 years old, have been a full-time employee in Japan for at least 1 year, and have an annual income of at least 4 billion Japanese yen pre-tax. They also require you to be able to read and write Japanese. Other options include the SMBC Trust Bank and Suruga Bank. And for residents, PR or non-PR, so permanent residency or no permanent residency, you should always try to aim for stable employment, have a set annual income, so a set minimum, Japanese language proficiency, the residence card, and a bank account in Japan. I hope I was able to help you on how to borrow money from Japan. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.